Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Hansar Samui Resort. And it's located in Bopit, Koh Samui. This is considered 5 stars on Agoda. It's got a 9.0 out of 10 rating, which is pretty amazing, with over 5,600 reviews. So a lot of people has reviewed this hotel and liked it here. As you can see, the room looks pretty nice, but it's a little bit dark, in my opinion. I stayed here in November of 2024. It cost me 5,150 baht for the night, or 152 US dollars. Got some complimentary fruit upon check-in, which was nice. Coffee and tea making supplies. There is 2 bottles of complimentary water, which is in the bathroom, and everything else in the fridge you have to pay for. A very unique bathroom. The toilet gets its own little room. Like I say, a little bit dark. And this bathroom is very, very unique, that's for sure. A very cool sink. And the shower is amazing. But it's wide open to the room. Really, really big, yeah? But the best part is the shower head. As you can see, very dark, yeah? Not that shower head. The one in the ceiling. It's like showering in a waterfall. I thought it was awesome. Big, beautiful bed, nice and comfortable, as it should be for 5 stars. Customer service, I give customer service 5 out of 5. They were awesome right from check-in, right from the time I got out of the car. It was pretty amazing, really. Swimming pool out here, it's a big pool. We'll get another look at it in a minute. But look at the trees. The storm is coming. Just wait. A very nice place to sit outside, that's for sure. See the trees? 15 minutes after I checked in, the storm hit. It was about 2 hours of non-stop monsoon rain and an insane amount of wind. But luckily, I had already checked in. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out, get more information, and check the prices on your dates. The hotel is located right at the end of the road, outside of Fisherman's Village, which is a very popular place with tourists for some reason that I never figured out. Here's the swimming pool. It's huge. This is the next morning. As you can see, it's still not beautiful weather, but it's a lot better than a monsoon rainstorm. It's a very, very nice hotel. Just walking down this road is about 700 meters to the Fisherman's Village. A good place if you're looking for mediocre Italian restaurants, in my opinion. I was on the bottom floor, unfortunately, so it didn't have the awesome view. That's the road that goes to Fisherman's Village, going the other way. And this beach is really, really long and very nice. I did a long walk on this beach in the morning, which was when I recorded this. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't very nice and the beautiful blue ocean just didn't happen. But still pretty nice nonetheless, right? Straight down there is Fisherman's Village. Now breakfast, very, very disappointing. They have an insane selection. Everything I show here, plus a full menu you can order off the menu. Now I didn't try everything obviously, but everything that I did have was cold and bland. Absolutely no flavor in anything. I will say cold bacon is better than no bacon. The yogurt was good, but there's no reason for food to be ice cold, that's for sure. Especially in a 5-star hotel, you just don't expect it. It's something that's pretty easy to fix, but it shouldn't need to be fixed in my opinion. But the view from the table across the beach was beautiful. There's the bacon. Just like it came out of the fridge. $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Absolutely, it's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful beach. I wouldn't go there because of Fisherman's Village. I just don't see the attraction there at all. But an awesome hotel. Customer service was 5-star, that's for sure. The room is very dark. The lobby is very dark. The pathway, the hallway from the lobby to my room at night was black dark. It was way, way too dark, dangerous even. I don't know why it's like that. It doesn't make any sense to me. And the food was ice cold and bland. All stuff easy to fix, but it shouldn't need to be fixed. I will say that is an amazing pool and an amazing view. Alright guys, that's my hotel review based on when I stayed there and nothing else. I think it's a good hotel. It does have a couple of flaws, stuff that's easy to fix, and hopefully if you decide to stay here, you won't have to deal with any of that because they already got it fixed. As always guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.